Greetings everyone, hope your day is going smoothly. In today's video, we'll be talking about solar charge controller. I'm Grace from the Aeromax Innovation Limited. A solar charge controller is an electric device that regulates the flow of energy from a solar panel to a battery bank. The primary function of this solar charge controller is to prevent the battery from overcharging and to regulate the charging process to optimize the battery life. Before I continue, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? If you haven't, click on the button below to subscribe. In our YouTube channel, you will get to know the configuration, installation, and maintenance of solar and inverter, CCTV, and smart homes. Back to solar charge controller. There are some things to consider when you want to get a solar charge controller. The compatibility of the battery life and solar panel, the voltage and current requirements, and even the reliability and the efficiency. In our next video, we will be talking about the types of solar charge controller, which are the MPPT type, the PWM, the shunt regulator, and the series regulator. We will also be talking about the configuration and the calculation of solar charge controller. Thank you for watching.